Midnight Hook. Which AI tool will dominate in 2026? Today, we're going head-to-head with ChatGPT and Claude to find out which one comes out on top. If you're looking for the best MikiMoney aim, stay tuned. 030 Why this matters. In the world of AI making money online, choosing the right tool can make all the difference. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or just someone looking to boost their productivity, understanding the nuances between ChatGPT and Claude is crucial. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool to use for your projects. 130 Prerequisites. Before we dive in, make sure you have access to both ChatGPT and Claude. You can sign up for free trials on their respective websites. No special skills required. Just a curious mind ready to explore the latest in AI tools. 2 o'clock step by step. Let's start with ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT has been a game changer since its launch. It excels in generating human-like text, answering questions, and even writing code. We'll put it through its paces with a series of tasks. First up, let's test its ability to answer complex questions. We'll ask it about recent developments in AI news and drama podcasts. ChatGPT responds with accurate, well-researched answers, showcasing its vast knowledge base. Next, we'll challenge it with a creative writing task. Can ChatGPT craft a compelling short drama? The results are impressive. It weaves together a narrative with depth and emotion, proving its versatility. Now, let's turn our attention to Claude. Developed by Anthropic, Claude is another powerful AI tool. It also boasts impressive capabilities in text generation and problem solving. Let's see how it stacks up against ChatGPT. We'll start with a problem-solving task. Both tools are given a complex math problem to solve. While both provide correct answers, Claude's step-by-step explanation is clearer and more concise. Moving on to code writing, we'll ask both tools to write a simple Python script. ChatGPT delivers a functional script quickly, while Claude takes a bit longer, but produces more optimized code. For our final task, we'll challenge both tools with a creative writing prompt. Both produce engaging stories, but ChatGPT's output has a slightly more poetic touch. Pro tips. Now that we've seen both tools in action, here are some pro tips to get the most out of it. First, always double-check the information provided by these AI tools. While they're incredibly accurate, mistakes can still happen. Second, experiment with different prompts to unlock their full potential. And finally, consider combining the strengths of both tools for even better results. Remember, these tools are here to assist you, not replace your critical thinking. Always verify the information they provide. Don't be afraid to get creative with your prompts. The more specific and detailed you are, the better the results will be. 9 o'clock results and next steps. So, which tool wins in 2026? While both ChatGPT and Claude have their strengths, the winner depends on your specific needs. ChatGPT excels in generating human-like text and creative writing, while Claude shines in problem-solving and code optimization. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, The Sister's Revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new AI tools tips content every single day. The next story is even crazier.